Itself is about bridging the gap between cultural music from Black American cultural music to South African cultural music. So what we're trying to do is showcase the talent of children and kids and youth that have talent across the rest of the world. There's talent here like Nancy C, Blxckie, Khuzani, DJ Socks, Tira, all of these guys that are talented enough to go overseas and perform, not just to America, but the rest of Africa that doesn't know who they are. There's a reason why I took this from Kings Park to Moses Mabhida. One, just the sheer magnitude of the size of the show is going to be huge. So you want to be able to showcase these guys on the biggest stage. Most people all want to run to F&B Stadium, but at the end of the day, when I put a stage in the corner of F&B Stadium, you shrink 94,000 to 50,000 people. And Moses Mabhida will get 70,000 people because our stage is going to be in the middle of the arena. So you're going to have more people at Moses Mabhida Stadium than Chris Brown had at his show. Do not believe that Chris Brown sold 92,000 seats. It was a lie, my brother. It does not even hold that amount of people with the stage in the back. The Rick Ross show, the Mzansi event, the Ample Piano event, the tribal hip hop, the Palm event. I'm sorry I can't say it. All of those things is going to be bigger than the Chris Brown event, and I'll show you on paper and by numbers. So for me, when I looked at Kings Park and I looked across the street and seen Moses Mabhida, there's no way I could leave it at Moses Mabhida. It had to. I'm sorry, at Kings Park. I had to turn around and go to Moses Mabhida. So to me, that's the impact. That's what the show is all about. And what people don't understand about this show, it's not about me as Greg Wings, not about blue screen entertainment. It's about the people. This is an event for the people. Otherwise, if it wasn't for the people, I'd be charging $5,000 a ticket. The show starts at 350 rand. 550 for the upper bowl. No, I'm sorry, inner bowl is 550. Upper bowl is 350. Golden circle is 1500. And if people can't afford it, they can write into the website, tell us why they can't afford it, and we'll make sure them and their family has tickets to be able to come. This is going to be a sold out event. You watch, you wait, you see, my brother.